Hello, my name is Philip Presswood. I work at the Writing Center at the University of Houston, Clear Lake. Today, using this video tutorial, I will show you how you can use the internet on your own to schedule an appointment with us, either for an in-person tutoring session or an online tutoring session. First, make sure that your web browser is open. I'm using Internet Explorer version 7. This is the main homepage of the University of Houston, Clear Lake. You'll need to navigate to the Writing Center's website directly at www.uhcl.edu/Writing Center, one word. This is the main homepage of the Writing Center. On the left side of the screen is a menu. Select the Make an Appointment link from this menu to visit our Appointments page. This page asks you to select which appointment type you would prefer: an in-person appointment or an email, phone, or online chat appointment. Since the process for scheduling these types of appointments is somewhat different, it's important that you use the correct link. Say we wanted to schedule an in-person appointment. We would follow that link and be taken to the registration and login screen for in-person appointments. Here you would enter your email address and password for the system, if you have one. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to follow this link where it says click here to register. There's a short form that you must fill out to be assigned a username and password. Fill in your email address, first and last name, a contact phone number where you can be reached, and a password which must be at least 6 characters long, letters or numbers, or a combination of both. The most important part of this form is your email address. Not only will it be your login name, but it's also how our computer system tracks you in our database. After this form is filled out, click Register. To show you how the scheduling system works, I will log in as the Writing Center. The main scheduling page opens up with 3 calendars at the top of the screen. All of the dates in each calendar month are clickable, and you can navigate to any week or date that you see. Beneath those 3 calendars is a legend which explains the shading below. Below that are the specific dates of the week in which you just selected. For instance, here is Friday, the tutor's working on that date, and a list of times available for that date. The red shaded areas are times when tutors are unavailable. They're either not working at the Writing Center or have been scheduled for other activities during that time. Dark blue areas are times when, again, tutors are unavailable because they have been scheduled by the administrative staff for other activities. Light blue areas are times when other students or writers have made an appointment at that time. The available times are the white blocks without any fill in them. You can click on any of these white blocks, which each denote a 1-hour length of time, to schedule an appointment at that time. After clicking one of the white block hours, which each denote a 1-hour appointment, a separate window will open with the tutor's selected name at the top, and your name would appear here. I have other options to select other clients because I'm logged in as an administrator. You would not have these options. Beneath that is a summary text block area. Here you can write a short message to the tutor you will be meeting with to give them an idea of your concerns or your needs for your appointment. We find it's often very helpful if a tutor knows ahead of time what they will be meeting with you about. Say I was going to meet with Daniel at 1 p.m. and I wanted to work on basic brainstorming for my advanced writing class. I would then click Save, and the appointment would be set. To schedule an online appointment, the process is similar but somewhat different. We'll navigate back to our Appointments page, and instead of selecting the in-person appointment link, we will select the email, phone, or online chat appointment link. This will take us to the online tutoring page. It's important that you read through the information here for first-time users if you've never used our online tutoring services before. It gives in-depth information about our phone chat, IM chat, and email sessions. There is a separate tutorial available for the instant messenger chat tutoring sessions. Once you know what type of appointment you'd like to schedule, click the Schedule an Online Tutoring Session link. Here, you will be navigated to our online appointment request form. The first information requested is what type of appointment you would like to schedule: an email, phone, or online chat appointment. Phone and chat appointments are what are called synchronous appointments. That is, they occur in real time without any delay. You are meeting or communicating directly with a tutor. An email appointment is an asynchronous appointment, whereby you would email a document to us, we would work on it, make comments, and read through, and email it back. And you can check your email just about any time at your convenience. Below the requested appointment type question is a block for requesting a particular tutor. If you know a tutor that you've worked with before, you can type in their name here. If you're requesting a phone or online chat session, you'll need to provide a time preference for your appointment to begin. Sessions always start on the hour, so try to be as specific as possible, and we can work with you to schedule a time that's convenient. Below that, we ask for some basic background information, your UHCL status, and your language background. And below that is a writing assignment section. This section is very important. Again, it gives us an idea of what we are meeting with you about and what your expectations are for your tutoring session. The large text block area provides ample amounts of space for you to tell us your requests and specific assignment requirements. Below that is an option to send a session notice to your professor, notifying them that you have worked with us at the Writing Center. After the form is filled out and completed, check the box to certify that the work that you're submitting is your own work. Then, click the Submit Online Appointment Request button. You should see a thank you message displayed after clicking this button. If you do not, your form was not sent. You will be contacted within 2 business days using your preferred contact information. Only at that time will your appointment officially be scheduled. It's very important that you click this button after you filled out the form. Not only will you receive a thank you message, but you will also receive a message including specific and simple instructions on how to email us your prepared document. If you do not have a prepared document, I would strongly suggest you schedule either a phone, chat, or in-person appointment. It can be somewhat difficult to work through an email session without a prepared document. Also note, your document must be 7 pages or less in length. If you have a document that is longer than this, such as a master's thesis or something else lengthy, call us directly at the Writing Center and we will work with you on that. After submitting this form, you will receive an email confirmation from us that your appointment has been scheduled. This concludes the video tutorial on scheduling an appointment with the University of Houston Clear Lake Writing Center using the Internet.